Morning, Mason. How are you?
Good.
Good. What do we do to this Jeep?
We put some batteries in it. We tried the other one. And we put a different one in.
Did we do the same battery that we did yesterday for the red Jeep? All right. You want to see if this thing will do donuts?
Yeah.
All right. What do we do for donuts?
We spin.
We spin. Yep.
We freeze top.
Are you in fast or are you in reverse still?
I'm in backwards.
Okay. Go fast forward and try and do donuts. Donuts, go! All right, so what you got to do is you got to go, turn, then you got to let off the pedal, and then you got to get back on it.
Okay.
Think your little mind can handle that? I doubt it. Try it. All right, ready, go. You know what? Let's come down here. Super slippery.
Yeah.
All right, go. Turn. Oh, without hitting the pole. I said without hitting the pole. Oh. Go. There it is. Keep going. And you stopped. You want to get back in the red Jeep? All right, bring it up to the garage. You like the donuts?
Yeah.
All right, and quick intermission. And just like that, we're back. Super, super magical.
Yeah, we did this one. We just got a little bit pink.
A little bit of pink.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yep, and a little bit yellow.
Now you know it was a girl's Jeep, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay. We repainted it. We can rebuild it again. All right, go. It doesn't do slides like your other one, huh?
Because we have these.
Yeah.
I see everything. We always see them over there.
Hey, we're making a video. Supposed to be driving.
Yeah.
Ah. Did you put it in gear? Oh, that's neat.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh, yep, gotta latch the hood.
Yeah.
Figures I gotta make them wires longer. Car. Go. Well, turns out this isn't gonna work because it keeps pulling the wires out. So, going back to the white Jeep. Hey, hold that up.
We did some of that stuff.
Let's see. White goes to plus. Kinda super hard to do this one-handed. Black goes to not plus. Super. Oh yeah. Garbage man, what?
A garbage can.
What's up, garbage man?
Huh?
All right, drive your Jeep. Go do slides. I don't see any.
Huh?
Drive! Oh! Oh man. Super crashing into your own stuff. That's not cool. Hey, go back in the grass real quick. Mason, hey, hey, face me. Back up, turn around, face me. Or go forward, whatever works, I don't care. Okay, stop. All right. Are you in high? 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, don't run his RC over. Drive!
I go backwards. You hear that? Is that like split?
Do a donut. When you slide, you got to start pushing the pedal again. Keep going. All right, well, this video kind of isn't fun, so yep, I'm gonna work on making this thing do a wheelie. Bye, YouTube.